skeletal structure on this one seems slightly advanced for its age group.
Let's cross-reference that with the nutritional intake data.
We have a fluctuation in Barn 7's health metrics.
Acknowledged. Air circulation levels are dropping in Quadrant 4. Reroute power now.
This facility represents the pinnacle of sustainable water management. Robotic arms ensure peak efficiency.
Built with the precision of an airport checkpoint, the system scans each animal, ensuring only approved livestock move deeper into the facility.
We have an unusual spike in the primate vitals. See the telemetry here?
I'm initiating a full diagnostic overlay.
Welcome to the future of agriculture, where every journey starts with data, precision, and machine-guided care.
The stainless steel dispensers adjust output according to AI-calculated needs. Fresh water flows through sterilized lines.
The AI is suggesting a formula adjustment for Sector 4. What's the efficiency projection?
Rerouting the nutrient mix now.
Data streams are fully synchronized. The skeletal rendering shows no anomalies, and the stability platform results are well within parameters.
Viral load in enclosure 4 is spiking.
We're showing an amber alert across the sector.
Reroute the ventilation immediately, or we risk a full breach.
Water reclamation levels stabilizing across the grid.
Acknowledged. The veterinary scan on Unit 7 processed correctly.
Water purification levels are stable, but the energy consumption spiked in Sector Gamma.
I see that. Cross-referencing with the livestock thermal data now.
By optimizing the feeding schedule based on these efficiency metrics, we project a 20% increase.
The welfare indicator Sector Gamma is clear for transit.
Acknowledged. Rerouting heavy cargo now.
Zone 3 diagnostics are optimal.
Rerouting feed supply to Sector Gamma.
We need to cross-reference this shipment with the high-speed inspection logs.
Agreed. Ensure the seal integrity is maintained at that velocity.
The energy recovery rates are up 20% since the upgrades.
And the long-term resource savings confirm the strategy is working.
If we adjust the photo period here, the yield projection increases by 12%.
But watch the energy consumption spike in this quadrant.
Biometrics are stabilizing faster than projected.
The thermal scans confirm reduced inflammation. We can decrease the laser therapy duration.
We have an alert in Sector 3. Reroute the automated sequence now.
Rerouting confirmed. Analyzing the new data stream.
If we optimize the housing grid here,
We can improve the health outcomes significantly.
and the sustainability metrics look promising for the upgrade.
The most advanced machine on Earth still depends on human vision, expertise, and care.
Reroute feed to Silo 7.
Acknowledged. Optimizing flow.
Sanitation cycle initiated in Sector 4.
Turning waste into energy, data into action, and resources into a continuous cycle of controlled efficiency.
This is not just the future of animal farming. This is the future of how humanity builds